In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team view in HubSpot. This guide is designed to walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have a seamless experience. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot user guide. This can typically be accessed from your HubSpot dashboard or by navigating to the designated link if you have it handy. Think of the user guide as your go-to resource whenever you're seeking to unlock HubSpot's features. Once you're in the user guide, the next move is to click on the Settings option. The Settings area is your command center for tweaking your HubSpot environment. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this section if you want to tailor HubSpot to fit your team's specific needs. Clicking on Settings will bring you to a host of options, each allowing you to manage different aspects of your HubSpot account. Now look for and click on Objects. The Objects section is where you deal with the different types of data entities like contacts, companies, and deals within HubSpot. It's important to understand how each object is structured, as this is where all the data resides. Clicking into Objects takes you one step closer to setting up your team view. With Objects opened up, you'll want to proceed by selecting Contacts. Contacts in HubSpot refer to any profile for leads or customers. By clicking Contacts, you're indicating you want to work with the data related to individuals you interact with. This is particularly important if your team's work revolves around managing and engaging with a roster of clients or potential customers. Following this, navigate to Record Customization. This step is key because it allows you to decide how data is displayed within the contacts records. Customizing these records means you can configure the display to prioritize the most relevant information for your team. It's about making sure your team has immediate access to the data they need most, without unnecessary clutter. By following these steps, you should now have set up a customized team view in HubSpot that prioritizes your team's needs. Remember, the customization options allow you flexibility. Don't hesitate to experiment with different settings to see what works best for your team. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful in enabling you to enhance how your team interacts with HubSpot. With these new setups, your team should find it easier to manage their contact data and improve their workflows. Thanks for following along, and remember to explore all the features HubSpot has to offer to get the most out of your experience. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or check the HubSpot user guide for additional resources.